welcome back to my channel. I'm Adaoju. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, welcome. So in my previous video I talked about being confused on the wedding dress I wanted to sew. I showed you guys a lot of wedding dresses that caught my eyes, that caught my attention, and I told you guys to leave a lot of suggestions for me because I really wanted to hear your thoughts. I wanted to know if you guys can really help me pick a dress to wear, okay? And you guys gave your honest opinion and your honest suggestion, and today I'm here to show you guys the things I'm going to be using for my wedding dress because yeah, I've chosen a style, a dress style. Eventually I've chosen one and I think I love it. Fingers crossed. I just hope I don't change my mind because that's what is always happening to me. I just hope I do not change my mind. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys all the things I bought for my wedding dress, all the things I'm going to use for my wedding dress. Like I said in the previous video, it's going to be something simple and classy and fabulous, okay? So if you want to know all the things I bought for my wedding dress, definitely, I don't know why I keep saying definitely, make sure you keep watching. If you're not subscribed to this channel, why? Did I offend you? Don't I look beautiful enough? Look at my wig, it is fine. Look at my dress, look at my dress, it's fine though, and my face. So please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I post a video you get notified. If you see me doing my hand like this, there's a ring, I want you to see it, okay? First thing I got about, I think I can't remember how many, but maybe 6 yards or 8 yards, I don't know, I can't remember, but I got about 6 to 8 yards of this hard net. I hope this camera focuses. I got hard net, about 6 to 8 yards of hard net, and this is what will make the gown stand, okay? This is what will make the gown stand, except you're not going for a very standing gown. I want mine to have like a little standing effect, not very bogus, but I want it to have a little standing effect. So that's why I got a hard net. And before I go on, okay, I got this thing in the very famous Lagos market, and that was my first time in that market, and it was an extreme spot. So you guys should not come and tell me, oh, Ada, come and help me go to the market. I did not go alone. I went with my mom, and she's the guru of the market. So that's why I could even get these things at cheaper rates. Okay, so I got about 8 yards of hard net. The next thing I got some white lining. Now this is a white net. Since we are going for a white dress, I just feel it is necessary to go for a white, everything white. Okay, so I got I think 12 yards. I got 10 yards of this lining. Now some people call this thing English lining, but in Lagos market I think they call it ponji or ponja. I think ponji. If my mom watches this video, she will correct me because I think I called it ponja. She told me it's ponji, but some people call it English lining. And I got about 10 yards or 12 yards. I can't really remember, guys. I think this is old age. So I got about 10 yards of this lining because I need to line the wedding dress, and I'm going to have like 2 layers of lining for this wedding dress, so that's why I got quite a lot. Okay, now the next thing I got 8 yards of the very wonderful organza. I got 8 yards of organza, and I'm just going to use this for the waistline of the wedding dress. I can't wait to see how it will really turn out. It's always been my dream to make my wedding dress, so I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited. So I got 8 yards of organza. I know 8 yards is too much, but I'm also making a dress for my little bride, so that's why I got quite a lot. Okay, now the next thing I got 12 yards of satin. See guys, let me just tell you, Nigeria is currently in a recession. Like when they calculated how much this satin costs, this is the back part, that's why it's not shining. This is the back part. Hello, this is the back part of this satin. There's somebody here. This is the back part of this satin, that's why it's not shining, but I'm just going to show you guys the front part. Can you see? So I got 12 yards of this satin. See, there are several satins in the market. You have Duchess satin, you have the satin that is like pap. Just when you go to the market, feel the texture, you will not know the one you want, and you move from there. Okay, so I got 12 yards of this satin. Okay, so the next thing I was looking for a satin. No, I was looking for silk to make my bridal robe. You guys know brides wear bride robe, about bridal robe, whatever it's called. So I was looking for satin, not satin, I was looking for silk, but I couldn't get silk, you know, to make for the bridal robe. But I got something, I've forgotten what the guy called this thing, but it really looks like those fabric. I wanted silk. Maybe I would have told them raw silk, because the silk they showed me, it wasn't looking like silk at all. Like It wasn't looking like silk at all. So I got this one, and I got this one at I think 300 per yard. The other bridal satin I think I got that one for 350. I think I got this one for 300 per yard, and I got 3 yards. I'm going to use it to make my bridal robe. I'm going to have like little designs here and there. I don't know, I just have funny ideas in my head. And another thing I got is I got this tool. Okay, I got this tool in Nigeria. It is called hard net. So if you want to go to Lagos market, don't go and tell them I want to buy tool. Whoa, you're going to walk around that market and you will not find it. Just tell them you want to buy soft net. And this one I got is not just like the normal one. The camera might not capture this, but it's hard and it's glittery, and it goes for like 250 per yard. I got like 8 yards. Okay, I got like 8 yards because I'm going to be using this for my veil. I think I'm going to use a little for the little bride. So I'm going to use this for my veil, and I want my veil to be something very simple. It's not having any lace or anything. I might change my mind though. So I got 8 yards of tulle, and I cut out I've already used a little from this to make the gown I used for my court wedding. Is it court wedding or marriage registry, whatever it's called? I already use a little from this to make the gown for it. I got some zips, and I know you guys be asking me, Ada, you are making a white gown, why do you have wine and peach and black and almost orange? Yeah, this is the one I'm going to be using for the white wedding dress. I have like other zips I'm going to use for my traditional outfits, because you guys know I'm African, I'm Nigerian, we always have like 2 weddings going on. Okay, I got the black. Do I have a black outfit? I don't know, but I just got black. I think this zip went for 200 for one, 200 naira for one zip, and I got about 6, I think 6 or 5. This is 1, 2, 4. I got 6 because I've used one already. Now another thing I got is I got some feathers, some fluffy feathers. Until I got to the market, I didn't know there were 2 types of feathers. So I got a fluffy feather that I'm going to use to make my fan. You know, you guys know we're Africans. This thing is bringing a lot of hair. Whatever. See, in Nigeria, when you want to do your wedding, you go all out. Okay, so I'm going to use this to make those fluffy fans that they normally use to blow the bride. You know. But it has like this smell of chicken, and I don't eat chicken, I hate chicken, so I think I'm just going to pour a lot of perfume on it to just douse out this smell on it that I don't like. So I got a lot of fluffy feather. I got about 2.5 yards for 1,500. So this is this. What else did I get? I got these trimmings to decorate the fan I'm going to carry for the white wedding, but looking at it now, I don't like it anymore, so I might just go to the market and buy another one. So the next thing I got is I got some rhino stones or stones. I got some because I need them to design the waistline of the wedding dress. I also got these are the small ones. I also got some big ones. So these are the small ones, these are the big ones. I need them to design the wedding dress. I don't really know where I'll put them for now, but you guys will see as it goes by. Okay, as it progresses, you guys will see the idea I have in my head. I don't want to show you guys my sketch because you guys will really laugh at me. And to any bride watching this video, it is not too late to start making your wedding dress, so you won't get all choked up and start running helter-skelter. If you've always had a dream of making your wedding dress, don't make anybody talk you out of making your wedding dress. Just make sure you can sew properly, ask for assistance, ask for help. You can do like a prototype. Is it a prototype? You can make another dress, you know, before you now make the main wedding dress. You can maybe recreate it in another fabric to make sure everything is perfect and on a point before you go ahead to make your wedding dress. So fingers crossed, guys, this wedding dress is going to come out nice. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, definitely, I don't know why I keep saying definitely, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. I'm trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. Please guys, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Make my dreams for 2020 come true, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm feeling myself small. You guys get tired of me on this YouTube. Seriously, you guys should get tired of me because I came back to slayage. Wait, it's like the hey, wait, hey, whoa, the hook for the wig is showing. Let me pin it. The thing is always giving me a headache. That's why I'm not always pinning. But let me pin it. Did you see? If you saw it, just pretend like you didn't see it and look at the sleeve. Thank you. Okay, let's start.